Salt on the wind, gold on the waves. Something is open and I cannot name. The night is behind me, quiet and far, and the horizon is soft like a start. Barefoot silence on the sand, first light resting on my hands. No more noise inside my chest, just the sea untangling what was left. Every breath comes clean and slow, like the tide already knows what to carry, what to leave, what to wash from underneath. I don't need a sign, I don't need a perfect sky. This is enough, the water, the dawn, the widening light. This is where the morning starts, in the open, in my blood and my heart. No old weight, no borrowed pain, just a new sun calling out my name. And the waves don't ask me why, they just break and let things rise. I stand still, but I'm not the same. This is where the morning starts again. There were nights I couldn't see how the dark was shaping me. Now the blue is turning gold, and I feel younger in my soul. No grand words, no final vow, only this becoming now. Only skin and wind and space, and the light across my face. I don't need to run, I don't need to force what's next. The day arrives without asking me to be anything else. This is where the morning starts, in the open, in my blood and my heart. No weight, no borrowed pain, just a new sun calling out my name. And the waves don't ask me why, they just break and let things rise. I stand still, but I'm not the same. This is where the morning starts again. Silver water, amber sky, nothing lost, just left behind. Every mile of midnight air led me slowly to this here. No return, no need to chase, only warmth and tidal grace. And for once I let the day touch me without fear. This is where the morning starts, in the open, in my blood and my heart. No ghosts, no closing door, just a bright line reaching from the shore. And the waves don't ask me why, they just move beneath the light. I stand still, but I remain. This is where the morning starts today.